Welcome to this video on alert fatigue in healthcare. We will explore why 90% of clinical decision support alerts are ignored and how to fix this critical issue. The alert fatigue paradox is clear. Systems designed to prevent dangerous errors are often so noisy that they become counterproductive, leading clinicians to ignore them. Alert fatigue is an architecture problem, not a clinician issue. Root causes include liability-driven sensitivity, a lack of feedback loops, poor timing, and missing hierarchies in alert urgency. To resolve this, we use a 4-step framework: tracking overrides, designing tiered alerts, tuning sensitivity, and ensuring workflow-aware delivery. Before you can tune your system, you must measure it. Moving from unstructured free text override boxes to structured, actionable override codes is essential for data-driven improvement. Stop treating every notification as a hard stop. By aligning visual interruptions with actual clinical severity, using hard stops, soft warnings, and passive info, you can preserve trust. Prioritize signal-to-noise ratio over maximum coverage. Identify high override alerts, retire those that are unnecessary, and ensure systems fire only when clinical action is truly warranted. Timing is everything. By using the CDS hook standard, you can deliver alerts when they align with the clinician's cognitive load, such as separating passive dashboard insights from critical order sign interruptions. An optimized alert architecture can yield dramatic results. In one study, provider engagement increased to 87%, and significant time was saved, all by simply refining the alert design. Remember, alert fatigue management is an ongoing process, not a one-time project. Continuous tracking, review, and feedback loops are necessary to prevent rules from drifting over time. Ready to build smarter, patient-centered care? Mindbowser combines clinical expertise with engineering to help you reduce alert fatigue. Contact us to learn more.